Hey, hey,
Eh,
hey. Oh, our driver is stuck. Our driver is stuck. Hey, hey,
eh,
hey. Okay, go right, right, right. Ay, nako. Bus driver. Anong nangyari sa'yo?
siguro wala yang lisensya.
Hey, hey, hey.
Eh,
Grabe. Our bus driver so good, ah. Okay,
sa ano
we
to?
need to park. Go. We're
International,
coming.
ano yung meme noon, yung university?
Anong university? Santo
Yung meme
Tomas?
noon. Yung meme noon.
Uy,
International.
grabe!
Hoy,
Wah! Tapos, kaliwa. Ay, where you going? Where you going? Wala na, the bus driver so bad. Wala na. Okay, left. Okay, and turn right. Turn right. I don't know what the bus driver is doing. Okay, yan.
ayan,
Tapos
ayan.
park behind the Golden Dragon.
Ito.
Park behind the
Dito.
Golden Dragon. Huy! Huy!
Wala ng preno.
He's having too much fun. Yan. Okay, stop na. Backup driver. John, backup driver na.
Tabi.
Sige, ikaw na. Ikaw na.
Check.
Uy, ikaw na.
Wears slippers.
Wow.
Pro drivers wear slippers. So,
Now fully operational yung terminal. Lol. Eto na!
oh my gosh. I will park properly because yes.
GG's. No driver, GG's.
Tabi.
Tabi! Uy, move out of the way,
Oy, tabi. Oh my gosh.
Ay, naku, bus driver second na pala eh.
Uy, tabi.
Uy, tabi!
Uy, sakay mo.
Uy, move! Move!
Ayan. Perfect.
So I wanna add AGS gun system so
Oh
bad.
my gosh.
Move! Alis!
So sounds like a 70-year-old man.
I'm gonna make a new roll. I plan
Pwede may
this.
isa sa daan? Pwede. So, nakaka-ambulansya ako.
Oh. Hold on.
Who wants to race God?
Okay, wait. So, game on, ski, bus. Yun!
Oh my gosh, real.
Uy! Lipunan, I'm going to Pasig! Pasig ako, Pasig. Pasig! Hey!
Ito na, then Lord Ford and ano.
Wow, look at that screenshot. Grabe. Ganda.
Take the wheel before.
Oo. Grabe. Guys, be honest. Be honest.
Wait, who owns CDPH?
Di ko alam yan. CDPH is like, ano, parang another game. It's like,
tried the game, but it's
yeah,
like-
but it's so bad. It's so bad.
Yeah, I know. It's like so much fun. Yeah. But I tried PTE when it was like in its early version. It was good.
No, but BDE before was terrifying. Bad.
Yeah, I know.
But then, when I
It
came,
was better
because
than-
yeah, when I came, I fixed everything, kinda.
Oh,
Tapos,
kaya na tayo.
yeah, most of the roads you see right now are made by me.
It's nice. How do you go
Salamat.
there?
You click the button. Oh, John has a gun! John has a gun! John has a
Oh my
gun!
gosh, oh my gosh, stage.
Uy! Uy! Corino Avenue! Ay, hindi. Sakay na. Okay, tara. John, get in. Ka. John. 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 Oh. John. 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 Get up.
Go, try it, try it.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Bye-bye. 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 Wait, don't leave me. 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 First driving experience.
Sleeping driving. Teka na.
Wait, why you keep shooting people?
Because it's martial law.
Not dead,
Or
he's not dead, he's just like
Wait, John, isa pa tapos I remove your admin. Sige ka.
lo.
Lolo. VIP mas yan. Bayad.
Guys,
Ano?
good news. Nawala tayo ng preno. Oh my gosh.
Walang tayo ano?
Preno. Nawala ng brakes. Oh my gosh.
Ay, nako.
Oh,
Uy,
what's the
kamote
command?
driver. Kamote.
And L.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, wait, I need to make victory liner. Give me a minute. I'm not playing with you! Sabi daw. Oh, that's victory liner. Oh.
Diyan, the gun. Criminal.
Tapos, binsang... Ay, binasag yung windshield.
Oh, may private siya. Oh my gosh, I'm lagging.
Alright. I'm gonna plan to add radios into the game. Okay? Maybe. If we get around 800,000 visits, I'm planning to add radio.
Oh, basta. Kakain na.
Biyahe na. Yun. Grabe. Yun. Wow, good driver, oh.
Proper driving
Proper,
techniques, yes.
wow,
Ano
di
ang
wow.
sulat?
Oh, what the hell? Oh, upload. Oh, that's how you do it. Okay.
Oh.
Cebu, we're together.
Yes.
They're gonna smooth. They're gonna smooth. If you get this gun and I know it.
Hey!
Go all the way up.
Hey! Shut up!
I know what to do, man.
Ano ka, bro?
Oh my gosh.
Bro. You know what
Ka,
to
bro?
do, bro.
Yeah, bro. I know what to do, bro.
Hindi.
Yeah. Yeah, bro.
Kaya lang.
Teka lang. Wag muna. Oh, pwede ba?
Cebu,
Wait. Stop here. Lorenzo, stop here.
Oh, he's gonna kill someone.
Stop here.
Guys, he's gonna kill someone.
Oh my gosh.
Cebu A! Cebu A!
Uy, sino ano ng bus?
To the guy that is spotting that bus, you're dead to me! Look, guys, the vote John, yes or no?
Lorenzo, welcome to GTA 5.
No, it's GTA 6.
Oh my god, we got Joy Bus, Mercedes Benz before GTA 6.
Wait,
Oh my god!
Are you coming as an innocent or coming as a new?
Whoa, 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 hey, hey, hey! Di pwede